सेंटेंस में। और जो एंड होता है, एंड जो होता है मैम, हम एडिशन के लिए मतलब फर्क के लिए यूज करता है। और एंड जो होता है नार एंड नॉट के लिए, नाइदर के लिए वो यूज करता है। बट भी हम बिकॉज के लिए यूज करते हैं, हाउएवर के लिए। आर भी यूज करते हैं आइदर के लिए, मतलब सेंटेंस में। और जो वाई से यट होता है हम बट के लिए यूज करता है। सो जो होता है डियर पार के लिए यूज करता है। जो हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल सो जो हम मतलब एडजेक्टिव की तरह भी यूज करता है। इसका मतलब ये है मैम।
What is your name, beta?
माजिद।
Majid.
माजिद खान।
Okay, clap. Majid, excellent. Good examples. Thank you so much, Majid. That pen boys are the conjunctions, all right? And pen boys, they join two sentences. Okay? Acha, we have a lot of conjunctions, but when we talk about pen boys, they are how many? FANBOYS, pen boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 conjunctions that we call them pen boys. Okay? Acha, how to use pen boys in the sentences? चलें, let's have a look at it. और हम अभी एक quick exercise करते हैं, and I would want every one of you to please reply me and participate. 38 students present in the class. Screenshot attendance. Attendance is very important. Otherwise, you will receive the letter. ठीक है, आपको नोटिफिकेशन या वार्निंग लेटर्स आएंगे अगर आप अटेंड क्लासेस ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे. So let me just go to take your attention. All right. Okay. Please don't Google. All right. Whenever I ask you anything, please don't Google. I don't like it because एग्जाम में आपके पास गूगल नहीं होगा. एंड वी आर डूइंग एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. डोंट ट्राई टू इम्प्रेस मी. ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ ये सोचना है कि अब जो चीज एग्जाम में आएंगी, विल यू बी एबल टू डू दैट, क्या आप उसको कर सकेंगे? एंड दैट्स इट. आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी अदर थिंग फ्रॉम यू. ऑलराइट, सो लेट मी शेयर. चलें. ऑलराइट, डू यू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्रेज एंड क्लोज? Do you know the difference between phrase and clause? Any ideas? Phrase and clause का क्या difference है? Yeah, Inayatullah, please unmute yourself and tell me. Difference between phrase and clause.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, there's कम्बिनेशन ऑफ वर्ड होते हैं जिसके कोई माना नहीं होती है और सेंटेंस हमें मीनिंगफुल माना देती है. जैसे फ्रेज का एग्जांपल है अंडर द टेबल या ऑन द टेबल, जिसे हम पूरा मतलब सेंस नहीं ले सकते और सेंटेंस से हम पूरा मतलब हासिल कर सकते हैं.
All right. Clap, Anayat. Excellent. I will do a virtual clap for you. All right. So this is virtual clap for you. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you so much. Achha, so Usama has written in the chat box that phrase has no subject and no verb. Yes, phrase has no subject and no verb. ठीक है. और sentence क्या होता है या clause क्या होता है? Which has a subject and a verb. All right. So when we talk about a phrase is a group of words which has no subject and verb. Like in the classroom. ठीक है. So in the classroom is a phrase, but if I add a subject and a verb, when I say I am in the classroom, so this is a sentence. Clear? I am in the classroom is the sentence, but in the class is a phrase because it is only a group of words. Clear हो गया? Thank you so much. So let's go and do. I'm going to share my screen और जल्दी से हम identify करेंगे what is a clause. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, I found a very good quiz for you. So let's check this out. All right. So I hope my screen is visible. All right, and you can write in the chat box. So very quickly, let us identify that what is a clause and what is a phrase. All right. So let's do this. Students, admit. ठीक है बेटा. All right. You can write in the chat box, okay? So the first sentence is, faced with so many problems, this red highlighted, okay? You have to identify the red highlighted text, whether it is a phrase or it is a clause. आपको क्या identify करना है कि जो red पे लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, वो phrase है या वो clause है. So आप बताइए number 1 पे, what is it? Is it a phrase or is it a clause? What is it? It is a phrase.
मैम क्लोज
It is अच्छा जो क्लोज कह रहे हैं वो क्यों कह रहे हैं, ठीक है. एंड लिसन, दिस इज योर प्रैक्टिस क्लास. अगर आप मिस्टेक करते हैं, डोंट वरी, यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक. बट एग्जाम में मिस्टेक्स की आपके पास गुंजाइश नहीं होती है. अच्छा, दोज किसी बच्चे ने अभी कहा कि क्लोज है, ये सेंटेंस है, तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि हाउ डू यू थिंक दैट इट इज अ क्लोज एंड it is a sentence and not a clause? Any ideas? Okay, let me see a lot of responses in the chat box. Okay, ये phrase है. Taru, Sami, Saqib, they all are saying it is a phrase. Okay, and you know I'm saving your chat box as well. ठीक है, मैं आपका chat box पे save करती हूँ, बाद में देखती हूँ कि किसने क्या answer दिया है. So good job guys. Let's phrase. It means it is correct. Phrase. Okay. Go to the next and write in the chat box. This is correct. Okay. She arrived to work on time in spite of leaving home so late. So is it a phrase or is it a clause? What do you think it is? All right. Okay. Number 2 is clause. Abrar is saying clause. Temur is saying phrase. Mariam is saying clause. Tanveer is saying. Kashif is saying clause. All right. Himmat, Sherbanu, many of you are saying clause. All right. So let me explain you guys. मुझे थोड़ा सा आपको ये ब्रीफ करने दें कि क्लोज में या सेंटेंस और फ्रेज में डिफरेंस क्या होता है. और डिफरेंस ये होता है कि जो सेंटेंस होता है उसके अंदर एक सब्जेक्ट होता है और एक वर्ब होता है, ठीक है. ऑलराइट. और जो फ्रेज होता है, इट इज जस्ट अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. सो शी अराइव्ड टू वर्क ऑन टाइम. लेट अस क्लिक close and it is correct. Why? Because she is a subject and arrived is a verb. All right. So that is why it is a clause. It is not a phrase. So all those who said this is a clause, excellent job. Thank you so much. Okay. So I'm taking the screenshot so that I have the proof of what we have done. Okay. Now, all right. So we will do 2-3 more so that you have an idea about what is a phrase and what is a clause. All right. Now, before taking my medicine, I always speak to my doctor. Number 3, what do you think it is? Before taking my medicine, I always speak to my doctor. And I can see in the chat box, all right, Samir, Saqib, all right, Himmat is saying phrase. Abrar, okay. Kashif is saying close. Anila is saying close. Maria is saying phrase. It means that still you have a problem. All right. Okay. Dear students, please remember the subject and the verb. If there is a subject and a verb, it is not a phrase. It is a clause. It is a sentence. And if there is no subject and no verb, it is a phrase. Look at this. Before taking my medicine, इसके अंदर क्या है, कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, कोई वर्ब नहीं है, राइट. बट this is wrong and close is the correct answer. I always speak to my doctor. I is subject, speak is verb. All right. So I hope you understand. Last one more. I think it will be very interesting for you. Mark has lived outside of his country for 14 years. Remember, you have to look at the red form. जो रेड कलर पे लिखा हुआ है आपको उसको देखना है, ब्लैक को नहीं देखना. So for 14 years, these are 3 words. Okay. Is it a phrase or is it a clause? Phrase. Farhan, Kashif, Afzal, Shabana. All right. Inayat. All right. Osama, Mariam. Everybody is saying it is a phrase So let me click this. Yes, good job. It is a phrase. Well done. Nice. All right. Okay, let's do the last one as well, because I think that this is very important that you should know the subject different views of that. In the morning, it's best to get up early. It's best to get up early. What do you think? It's best to get up early is a phrase or a clause? Majid is saying close, Tanveer is saying close, Kashi is saying phrase, Mariam close, Nisar, Samiullah, Farhan, everybody is saying close. So just let's click. Yes, it is a clause. The reason because it or is a verb. Is जो है वो भी verb है और it subject है. All right. Pronoun में he, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are all subjects. So excellent. Good job. Chalo dear. All right. So I'm very delighted that you students are actively participating. Again, 41 students present हैं. So let me mark the attendance. Those students who have joined. अच्छा, and later on जो present थे और अगर उनका screenshot रह जाए, I will share in video. So please let me know so that the list I sent to the principal, your name is not missing. All right, fine, because attendance rules are being strictly monitored. I myself complained कि भाई attendance से मैं satisfied नहीं हूँ. Okay, so okay, now very quickly we are going to do an online fan voice practice. Okay, but before that I would like to show you कि fan voice क्या होते हैं. Okay, fan voice क्या होते हैं? think कि मैंने आपको fan voice बताया था. Simple sentence. अच्छा, when we join two independent clauses. Okay, let me just very quickly tell you. अच्छा, किसका माइक अनम्यूट है? इनायत प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक. मुझे किसी किस्म की डिस्टोर्शन ऑनलाइन क्लास में नहीं मिलनी चाहिए. ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी डिसिप्लिन को मेंटेन करें. ओके, नाउ मैं आपको फेन वॉइस पे लेके जाती हूँ. सी, इफ वी ज्वाइन टू इंडिपेंडेंट क्लोजेस टुगेदर, ठीक है, टू इंडिपेंडेंट मींस दोनों के अंदर एक सब्जेक्ट है, एक वर्ब है, एंड व्हेन वी ज्वाइन देम टुगेदर, फॉर एग्जांपल, I work in, I am a teacher and my brother is a banker. So I am a teacher, full stop, it is a separate sentence. My brother is a banker is a separate sentence. जब हम इन दोनों को ज्वाइन करेंगे तो हम ज्वाइन किससे करेंगे? एंड से ज्वाइन करेंगे. ऑल राइट, सो दिस एंड इज फैन वॉइस. दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव जस्ट मिस्ड, जिनको नहीं आइडिया कि फैन वॉइस क्या है, प्लीज लुक एट दिस. FANVOYS.
सॉरी मैम.
क्या
मैम आपके हाई लो क्वालिटी में आते हैं.
ओके, अच्छा, बाकी स्टूडेंट्स मुझे बता सकते हैं कि क्या ये सबके साथ प्रॉब्लम है?
नो मैम.
नो. अच्छा,
नो मैम,
बेटा,
मैं तो
अच्छा,
क्लियर आ रही हूँ.
ठीक है. अच्छा, इनायत बेटा, प्लीज चेक योर माइक्रोफोन बिकॉज़ अदर स्टूडेंट्स दे डोंट हैव एनी इश्यूज. ठीक है, ऑलराइट, प्लीज डू चेक.
मैम कभी कभी हो रहा है मसला.
ओके, वैसा होना तो नहीं चाहिए. ऑलराइट, लेट मी जस्ट चेंज द पेन पोजीशन. ठीक है, गिव मी 1 मिनट.
على كانوا مي متخذ لبارتها
अरे से आवाज आ रही
ناوري زول اخاك ناسكين
अलग मैम चिल्लाल राजी हुए तो चेस में वापस आ जाए.
मैम यहीं पर ही हैं. अभी आप कष्ट बोलना स्टार्ट कर दें.
कॉलेज से सुख सुख चलिए.
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, ये भी देख लें आप. आपकी सारी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है, मैम देखेगी बाद में.
तुम लोगों को बस मौका मिलना चाहिए बस बोलने के लिए.
Guys,
तो क्या हो गया? हम तो
okay, you know this session is on recording. Okay, so I will listen to it that what you were talking. All right, tell me, is my voice clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
all right.
ma'am.
Okay, and now It must be clear, and after that I'm not going to listen any excuses. Okay, so just get to the topic very
Yes, ma'am.
very fast. Get back to the topic. All right. Okay. So penguins are these 7 letters. Okay. Farhad, mute your mic. I don't have to be saying that again and again. Okay. Yeah. Penguins are these words: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Please इनको याद कर लें. If you don't remember them and don't memorize them, it will be problem for you. ठीक है? So we join 2 sentences with the help of these 10 boys, which are called coordinators. They are called conjunctions. They are called coordinators. ठीक है? So now I'm going to stop share because I've already taught you this. अच्छा, ये जो chat box में आप लिखते हैं ना, ऑलराइट हबीबुल्लाह, तुम्हारे को क्या मसला पश्तो बोलने से, ठीक है? ये जो आप लिख रहे हैं ना इररिलेवेंट कमेंट चैट बॉक्स में, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन अगेंस्ट इट. You should be ashamed of it and excuse excuse. Write an excuse letter to me. No irrelevant things should be written in the chat box. No Pashto should be spoken. हबीबुल्लाह, मैं आपको क्लास से बाहर निकाल दूंगी. Where is Habibullah? Habibullah, unmute yourself. Okay, he has left. All right. Now, let's see. Go to the screen and we are going to go for pen boys practice. Okay, now, guys, if you remember, when I was teaching you this, so हमने एक activity की थी, all right? So we are going to do the quiz again. And let me just. Can you see this in my screen? Everybody, we can go out for dinner
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Okay, we can go out for dinner now. So which do you think the answer is correct? A, B, or C? Or, yet, but. Which one do you think is correct? Or many of you are saying or. All right. So let's click this. Oh, this is excellent. This is excellent. Or. Now, let's go to the next. Okay, now let's go to the next. Okay, John can't speak Japanese. He can speak Spanish. So, nor, but. What do you think is the right answer? Yes, guys. But, nor, अच्छा ज़्यादातर nor आ रहा है. Farhan is saying option C, but. All right. Okay, Anila is saying nor. Okay. John can't speak Japanese. Look at this. You know, हम but use करते हैं for the contrasting. Like for example, मुझे like you know English तो आती है लेकिन पश्तो नहीं आती. ठीक है? So I'm talking about 2 languages. I know English. I don't know Pashto. तो मैं इन 2 sentences को कैसे join करूँगी? With the help of but, right? So let's click this. Yes, this is the right answer. All right. Nor नहीं हो सकता बेटा. Nor पता है किस वक्त होगा? जब आप you know if I say neither, I can neither speak Japanese nor Spanish. कि ना तो मैं Japanese बोल सकती हूँ ना ही Spanish बोल सकती हूँ. ठीक है? But you are talking about that you know one language but you don't know the other language. So please जब आप एग्जाम में करें तो थोड़ा सा thought process involve करें. Randomly guess ना करें. All right? Take your paper seriously. All right. So let me go to the next. We are doing examination practice right now. So if you have any questions you would like to ask, please ask me. Okay? Next. Okay. I was late. I decided to take a taxi to work. What do you think is the right answer? So many of you are saying so. Let's click. Yes, this is correct. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay. What's happening? Okay. Now go to the next. My classmate didn't study for the test. She still passed. Yet nor or. What do you think? She didn't study for the test. उसे टेस्ट के लिए नहीं पढ़ा था. फिर भी you know see the sense क्या बन रहा है? फिर भी वो पास हो गई. So okay, everybody is saying yes. Majority is saying. अच्छा nor का मतलब होता है ना ही. All right. थोड़ा सा आप सेंटेंस को अगर देखें, you know, try to just that. Okay. By the way, this is correct. So everybody who said yet is the correct answer. Excellent job. In the end, the company didn't make money. Did it lose money? Masan, in the end, the company didn't make money. तो उन्होंने कुछ पैसे नहीं बनाए. और did it lose money? और हो सकता है इसका मतलब ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि ना उन्होंने पैसे बनाए, ना उन्होंने पैसे लूज किए. It means that they were at the same financial status. ना उन्हें प्रॉफिट हुआ ना लॉस. Yeah, what do you think? Nor, majority of you are saying no. And this is correct. All right. When we want to talk about two things in the negative sense, कि ना तो कंपनी ने पैसे बनाए और ना ही कुछ लूज किया. All right. Very nice. Go to the next. Okay. My fat cat is cold and hungry. It didn't come back home last night. What do you think is the right answer? Acha, by the way, because is not the part of faint voice. Please remember, हम because की जगह use करते हैं for. ठीक है? If we want to give the reason and the same idea, हम क्या use करेंगे? For use करेंगे और because use नहीं करेंगे. So please let me know that what is your understanding about this. Okay. Almost everybody said for. Good job. Excellent. Okay. Go to next. Seoul is a large city. It is located in Asia. So, yeah.
मैम यहाँ पे बट दो दफा एक दफा
Now,
नहीं है.
that was a kind of a confusing one because there were two options which missing था उसमें. Look at this. The universe is a big place. There may be intelligent life out there. The universe is a big place. Okay, so there may be intelligent life out there, or there may be intelligent life out there, or there may be intelligent life out there. Many of you are saying so. So let's click correct. Good job. I have some free time and extra ticket. Do you want to see a movie? What do you think? I have some free time and extra ticket. मेरे पास कुछ time भी है और extra ticket भी है. Do you want to see a movie? Which one? Okay. Two ideas को connect कर रहा है and.
मैम आपने बता दिया था खुद ही.
Good job. All right. It was very easy. I'm not really hungry. That that apple pie looks delicious. I'm not really hungry. Okay, many of you are saying yes. Some of you are saying so. I'm not really hungry. So let's see. Yeah. But you know, yet is also giving the idea that I'm not really hungry, yet that apple pie looks delicious. You know, sometimes you don't want to eat, but still something is so tempting. Like, you know, it increases your appetite. कि आपको tempting लग रहा है कि but फिर भी you know ये मुझे बड़ा delicious लग रहा है. I want to eat it, though I'm not hungry. Elephants are big. Blue whales are even bigger. What do you think? Excellent. Very good job. The capital city of the United States is not New York, it is Los Angeles. ये जरा थोड़ा सा इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ड है. इफ यू नो अबाउट द यूएस कैपिटल, अगर आपको यूएस कैपिटल के बारे में पता है तो यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट इन अ बेटर वे. अगर नहीं पता तो नो आइडिया. आई मीन anybody knows that which country, which city is the the capital of the United States? Washington DC, Tanveer. Yes. So now what do you think? What should be the answer? Nor, I'm not saying yet. Okay. I think you're confusing the things, आप yet को और हर use को mix कर रहे हैं. Please do study. I have posted the PPT fanboys on LMS. अगर आप self study नहीं करते हैं, LMS से अगर आप content नहीं लेते हैं, please build some knowledge. Before you join my class, थोड़ा सा पढ़ लिया करें. Nor, so the capital city of the United States is not New York, nor is it Los Angeles. ना तो New York है, ना ही Los Angeles है. All right, because we know that the capital city of the United States is Washington DC. Okay. Can you help me carry these books? Are you busy right now? How are you going to join these two sentences? Or, okay. Or majority of you. Correct. Or are you busy right now? Nice. I need a pen. What do you think? Number 14. I need a pen for, okay, Faiza is saying and, Aman is saying and, some are saying for. Why for? For तो आपको because के meaning देता है. Please keep in mind कि for आपको because के meaning देता है. I need a pen because some paper to write some notes. Did you think it makes sense? Samir, who is saying for, do you think it makes sense? Samir. And, right? I need a pen and some paper. वही लिखने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? Common sense. You need a pen and some paper to write some notes. Notes means आप जो important चीजें लिख रहे होते हैं during the class. ठीक है? All right. So what we're going to do, हम इसको यहाँ करेंगे stop. Okay. And then the next we are going to talk about, guys, because your final examination at the KGH is expected just in coming few days. Okay, so I will share the topics for your test and exam as well as we are doing the practice. So any ideas about the phrasal verbs? Do you remember we did phrasal verbs? अच्छा, please turn your videos off. उमर अपना वीडियो टर्न ऑफ कर दें आप. Okay. Any ideas about phrasal verbs, guys? Do you know why do we use phrasal verbs? Yes. So I would like to, I would like Mohammed Imran to unmute yourself and tell me, what do you know about phrasal verbs? If you remember, I taught you. Yeah.
मैम मुझे नहीं पता मैम.
Okay. Did you not attend the class when I taught you?
नहीं ली मिस उस वक्त क्लास मैंने.
All right. Okay. Did you see the PowerPoint presentation I posted on LMS?
No miss.
Okay. Have you seen any presentations I posted on LMS?
Yes miss.
Okay. So Imran, you have to be serious. There is nobody going to come to your house and tell you that you know LMS पे जाएं और PPTs देखें और पढ़ें. All right, grow up guys. आप यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, छोटे बच्चे नहीं हैं कि आपको हर चीज रिमाइंड करवाई जाएगी. If you don't take the responsibility of your learning, then who will take?
Okay, miss.
Okay, all right. Phrasal verbs. Maria, please unmute yourself. All right. Those who are not responding me, I will mark them absent. Maria. Okay.
Miss,
All right.
phrasal verbs.
Yeah, please. Who is answering phrasal verbs?
अमन कुमार.
Yeah,
phrasal
please.
verbs जो है वो मोहन idioms की तरह होते हैं, जैसे कि on to हो गया, about और into हो गया. तो ये तो उसके एग्जांपल्स हैं. तो वो phrasal verbs जो है वो मिस सेंटेंस का जो वो मीनिंग चेंज कर देते हैं.
All
on
right.
to या into, outside.
Combination of words.
Okay, okay, very nice. The good responses are coming in, and don't worry about like whether your response is right or not. Okay, don't worry about it. You should be telling me that you know what you know about it. So this is fine. That it is a combination of words. Many of you said that it is a combination of words, and you
मैं
know,
कुछ बता दूं.
please do that. Please go ahead.
Phrasal words वो होते हैं जो combination of words होते हैं.
Okay.
इसमें verbs आ गया, preposition आ गई, adverb आ गया.
Okay. So can you please tell me, you know, any example? कोई एक example मुझे दे दें.
look down.
Look down. ठीक है. अच्छा, look down के meaning क्या है?
मैंने नहीं बताया. look down वो किसी वली ने शायद बताया
अच्छा,
आपको.
ठीक है. चले हम एक example ले लेते हैं. Look के meaning क्या होते हैं? जब हम कहते हैं look के meaning क्या होता है?
एक देखना.
देखना. ठीक है. अच्छा, look के meaning होते हैं देखना. लेकिन look after के meaning क्या होते हैं? What do nurses do?
देखभाल होता है.
बाद में देखना ना.
What do nurses do?
परवरिश केयर करना.
अच्छा. Look, Malaika is saying look after. Very nice. So, you know, look after is a phrasal word. So look का मतलब देखना, लेकिन look after का मतलब होता है take care करना, ख्याल रखना किसी का. So you see that when we add a preposition.
To end up, ma'am.
Please continue.
To end up and to fill up.
Okay, ठीक है. All right. You know, जब हम preposition लगा देते हैं किसी word के साथ तो उसका meaning change हो जाता है. ठीक है. And that is why it is called, these are called phrasal verbs. And the phrasal verbs are so many. And you need to remember that. You need to memorize that. उसका कोई formula नहीं है. ठीक है. ये नहीं कहा जा सकता कि phrasal verbs आपको आ जाएंगे because it's very easy. No, phrasal verbs को कोई formula नहीं है. You have to memorize. So let's do a practice. Let's see. ये exercise हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं, but we are doing it again. The reason is that I want you to. All right. So look at this. Okay. So this is okay. So now try guessing that. Okay, now phrasal verbs. So the first sentence we have is, would you dish my dog for this weekend? Would you dish my dog for this weekend? Look after, look up. Okay, majority of you are saying it is look after. Okay, I appreciate that, your responses. Let me click that. Okay, now next sentence. My neighbor dashed eggs yesterday. ठीक है? My neighbor dashed eggs yesterday. Please tell me what does it mean? Okay, so let me just say. Okay, rained out of. Very nice. Acha, rain out of is an expression that we use like I'm running out of money, you know, rain out of grocery, rain out of food, किसी चीज की shortage हो जाना, ठीक है? So rain out of का मतलब होता है literal meaning is shortage. जबकि run का meaning होता है भागना, rain का meaning होता है this is the second form of the word. But when we use out of with it, so it changes the meaning. So that is why they are called phrasal words. Okay, they are very challenging, but they are very interesting. Okay. John dashed his leg at the basketball game. Yeah. Broke down, broke off. Okay. Okay, broke off. Many of you are saying broke off, broke down. Okay, so what should we do then? Should we click?
Ma'am, broke.
Only broke? Chale, let's,
Broke.
all right, let's click broke. Okay, and we will check this. Our boss dash our meeting until next week. Yeah, what do you think is the right answer? Put off. Okay. Put down. Okay. Have you heard that idiom? Don't put up till tomorrow. आज का काम कल तक मत छोड़ो. ठीक है? This is an idiom. So many of you are saying put off. Some are saying put down. Put off is the right word, by the way, because put off का meaning होता है delay करना. What does it mean? Put off means delay करना. So please remember that. I have shared a PowerPoint, PPT on LMS about the phrasal verbs. Please, it is my request, go and study. When will you start your studies? Examination is just round the corner. What are you waiting for? Could you dash the music? You know, I'm working or, okay, I'm on the phone. All right. Could you dash the music? I'm on phone. Turn off, turn around. Turn off. Many of you are saying turn off. All right, fine. Okay, I don't dash my new science teacher. I don't get up. I don't get over. I don't get on with my new science teacher. So get up means सोचना होता है. It is of course out of the options. Get over and get on with. Get
on
okay.
with.
Get on with.
Get on
Many
with,
of,
ma'am.
all right. Many of you are saying that get on with. Let's do it. अच्छा, by the way, get over का मतलब होता है control करना. ठीक है? So get over may not be the right answer. Okay, we will see this. We both dash meeting your new girlfriend.
We
Look up, look forward to. Look forward to. Majid Khan is saying look forward to. All right. Acha, we look forward to is an expression
look
that
forward
we,
to.
yeah, that we use very, very commonly when we are writing an email, like I look after to hearing you, or look after to के बाद ing form आती है, ठीक है? So this is meeting. Look forward to. Okay. My car dash on.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
Which one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Get on with जो phrase use किया है. What
Get
does
on
the
with?
meaning of get
Get
on
on with?
I can't understand.
This
Yeah.
one? Get on with?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अच्छा, देखिए.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
We have different phrasal words और उनके fixed meanings हैं, ठीक है? So जैसे get up का मतलब होता है उठना, get over का मतलब होता है control करना, like
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
over, you will get over it, you know, you will get over the
Yes, ma'am.
situation. आप situation पे काबू पा लेंगे. इस तरह से get on with का मतलब होता है means के अच्छे ताल्लुकात होना, all right? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आपकी किसी से बनती नहीं है या आप किसी के साथ बड़ा इजीली मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So it means get on
Yes,
with.
ma'am.
For example,
Yeah.
I can't get on my, I can't get on my,
With
क्या कहेंगे उसको, a new friend, or
yes,
I can't get on my this or that. It means कि आप उसके साथ comfortable नहीं हैं, keeping the relationship. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So let's go to this. My car dashed on the highway today. Broke down, broke off, broke away.
Broke down.
Broke down.
Broke
अच्छा,
down.
by the way, remember,
Broke
car
Broke
के,
down.
whenever the car
Broke down.
stops, all right, we use broke down. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, car के लिए हम broke down use करते हैं. अच्छा, it will be easier to read if you dash the lights. Turn switch on.
Switch on.
Switch on. Switch on.
All right, exactly.
Switch
Thank you.
on.
I have
Switch
to.
on, ma'am.
Yeah, I have done. Thank you. I have to dash to the finish line and back.
Run away.
Run away.
अच्छा,
I have to run away.
अच्छा बेटा run out
Ma'am,
का
ma'am,
मतलब होता है short
ma'am,
exit. Yeah.
मैम इनको बोले कि टेक्स्ट में कर दें, इधर पहले से बता देते तो
रन होता है मैम, रन आएगा।
Don't speak all together. Everyone mute your mic, please. अच्छा, run away. देखिए, run out of, we know that run out of means run out of money, run out of petrol, run out of grocery, run out of food means किसी चीज की कमी हो जाना. So this one is out. ठीक है. Then you have two options: run away or run. So run away, I don't think so that it is suitable here. Many of you are saying only run. हमें सिर्फ run पे click करना चाहिए. So we have done. And now let's just check the answer. Your score is 100%. This is a brilliant job that you have done. All right, because when we learn together, and why your score is 100%, because we were doing it together. हम उसको एक साथ कर रहे थे, ठीक है? But exam में, remember that you will be responsible for your individual learning, and you will not be responsible for others. उसमें हम collaboration के साथ काम नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है? So I hope that you do and more practice. Please do the practice of reading comprehension. This is something that I'm going to give you in the final KGH paper. So the links that I share, those who have yet not gone through, seen the links, practice the links, please do that. What are you waiting for? Do practice the reading comprehension. Clear हो गया? Okay. So here we are going to end the
link send कर देगा इसका ना?
one at a time. One at a time, please. Who wants to speak?
मैम इसके ना सारे लिंक सेंड कर दिएगा, जैसे रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के फ्रेजल वर्ब से कंजक्शन से ना लिंक सेंड कर दिएगा सारे ना.
I will do that. Okay. Anything else? Yeah. Mavish, you are saying. Yeah, Mavish.
Ma'am, you make the paper final. Ma'am, you make the final paper.
बेटा अभी देखिए, एक तो इंटरनल पेपर होगा KGH का, और फिर डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी का पेपर होगा, ठीक है? We will take your paper so that we can check. We can check your understanding. आप यहाँ पर भी थोड़ी सी तैयारी कर लेंगे पेपर के थ्रू, and then final is definitely going to be taken by Dow University.
Ma'am, 7 जून को जो है वो इंटरनल पेपर होगा या फाइनल होगा?
देखिए, एक तो डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी का फाइनल होगा ही होगा, ठीक है? एक हम आपका टेस्ट लेंगे, ठीक है?
मैम 7 जून जो डेट अनाउंस हुई है उस पे आप लोग लेंगे या डाउ लेंगे?
नहीं, हम लोग लेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. So I think that we have discussed enough. All right. Thank you so much. Those I really appreciate.
मैम 21 जून को आप पेपर लेंगे?
नहीं, 21 को तो डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी.
ओके मैम, फिर केजीए की डेट कब आएगी हमारे पेपर इंटरनल की?
आई थिंक मैं तो अभी यहाँ बैठी हुई हूँ आपके साथ, मुझे सब कोई बता रहा है कि मेरे ख्याल से ये अनाउंस हो गई है. मैं व्हाट्सएप देख लेती हूँ.
20 है मैम, 20 जून.
वो तो डाउ लगी ना भाई मेरे 21 को. 20 को ये कैसे लेंगे?
तो डाउ का है मैम. 7 से अपने कॉलेज के.
अच्छा देखें, आपको सर शाहिद ग्रुप में डाल देंगे, ठीक है? जो केजीएच में टेस्ट होगा वो यू विल गेट टू नो, बट वो पहले ही होगा उससे. डाउ यूनिवर्सिटी से पहले हम आपका एक एग्जाम लेंगे, सो दैट वी कैन सी कि आपकी क्या लर्निंग है, एंड देन यू कैन फर्दर। देखिए जब आपके पास क्वेश्चंस पता है क्यों नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि आप पढ़ ही नहीं रहे हैं। जब आप पढ़ेंगे तो यू विल सी कि ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू आस्क, एंड देन यू विल कम अप विद योर क्वेश्चन। अगर आप एक दिन पहले पढ़ने बैठ रहे हैं तो फिर आप लोगों का अल्लाह ही हाफिज़ है। ठीक है जी।
अगर